Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the dent closely so you know what approach will work. Once done, open the fridge doors and unplug it to be safe, then remove shelves or panels that block rear access. Make a small tape mark at the dent center. That helps you track progress. Gather a suction cup for shallow dents, a heat gun for temperature control, a rubber mallet, and a soft block for pushing from inside. Make sure surfaces are clean with a microfiber cloth before touching them. You now combine heat and mechanical action to coax the metal back. First, warm the area for just a few seconds to make stainless more pliable, then test the suction cup on the center. Pull in steady, even strokes. If a single pull fails, reheat and try again rather than forcing. For deeper dents, access inside and push with a rubber mallet wrapped in soft cloth, moving from the outer edges toward the center to prevent popping or creasing. Keep checking alignment as you go. You finish by refining the surface with small taps and alternating brief heat, then cool cycles to relax any leftover stress. Once the contour looks consistent, clean and polish using a non-abrasive stainless steel cream to restore sheen. Make sure doors and seals realign properly before plugging the fridge back in. Only reconnect power when everything is dry and secure. If you see sharp creases, torn coating, or the metal won't spring back, pause, seek professional paintless dent repair, or plan a panel replacement as the next step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.